Hi Warrior Vets, this is Joshua Missouri, Director of Military and Veteran Services at Texas A&M University, Central Texas. Today we're going to talk about Hazlewood and how to use your Hazlewood benefits at Texas A&M University, Central Texas. I'd like you to go to the university's website and select Warrior Web. From there, you'll find the categories option, and in scrolling, you'll find Military and Veteran Services. Find the Hazlewood Exemption tab and select that. Here you'll find a new student checklist. This checklist gives you all required documents and information where you can find all the specifics about the Hazlewood program that's right for you. Be sure to review each Hazlewood option, and you will find on the checklist a link to the Texas Veterans Commission site that discusses the different benefits that you may be eligible for. All right, so we're going to go back to Warrior Web, and in going to Warrior Web, we're going to enter an initial Texas Hazlewood exemption application. Again, this is a very specific checklist and requires very specific documents, and we will detail each of those documents in here, such as a service member's DD-214 for our veterans. We'll make sure that we have that document, and that's very important that we have the character of service provided on the DD-214. Next, we'll need a Texas Veterans Commission database hours print off. You can get this from visiting the Texas Veterans Commission site, and logging in, you will find a display of the number of hours that you've used at the TVC site. Beneath that, you'll need to provide us with a VA eligibility award or a denial of benefits letter. We need to know that you do not have any post 9/11 GI Bill benefits remaining, or that you were denied benefits so that the Hazlewood Act can be applied to your account. All right, and we're going to go to the next block. So here we're going to complete all requirements and all questions on the electronic form. Some of this, as you're logged in, will be pre-populated for you, but please make sure you don't skip one. So as this example, we'll enter a few line items. That's it for Hazlewood. See you on campus. Make sure to follow the checklist and submit the appropriate documents.